These sound effects were actually K-pop idols. Everyone thought the mysterious female voice in Ceremony belonged to someone else. But it was actually Bang Chen, with his voice pitched higher to create the unique vocal effect. The iconic whistle and whistle wasn't a sound effect. It was Jisoo herself, making the intro one of K-pop's most unforgettable openings.
Make 'em whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb.
For Zoo, the producers wanted a wild animal sound, so YangYang recorded a playful monkey impression that became a real sound effect in the final track.
This is awesome. Wow. Just like a zoo.